We've come to Shastri Nagar, Windsor Tower. We've been here before and we keep coming back. There are very few apartments coming up for sale. One of them is right now on sale at the moment. 3 BHK, spacious, well lit, bright, ventilated in this gorgeous tower right next to Silver Arch and Edenwood. This is a society of 3 towers. As we come in, we come into this one and have a look further ahead. Let's go. So that's another view. We came around and this is the back view again. We're in awe of this tower. It's been around for a long time, more than 2 decades, 25 years already. And look at the space of the compound. A 22-story tower. We're right below it and it is gorgeous, right next to the other buildings and towers such as Silver Arch and Edenwood right next to it. Let's go in and have a look at what we have. Is a brand new lobby done by the society recently and 3 elevators. Normally you get 2 elevators, but not here. This is a brand new lobby, mind you, with all the marble set up. And have a look, 3 elevators working all the time. We're seeing a nice and a 3 BHK, lovely, spacious apartment, very well done up, fully furnished and exclusively done up. This is Windsor Tower, Shastri Nagar, 1045 square feet carpet area. And what we have done is we've entered from the gates. I want to show you here. This is the way we entered. So this is proper Vastu compliant according to the sellers. We got a kitchen here. And let's have a look this way here. What a lovely living space. Bedroom there, bedroom here, couple of bedrooms there. And the kitchen. Let's have a look at the kitchen. It's modular, recently done up kitchen, fully fitted, white vanilla, everything in its place, and all the modern equipment being installed. As you can see, the conventional oven and the in-fitted oven as well, the cabinetry, they're all beautiful and they're all brand new and recently done. So Windsor Tower, plenty of air and sunlight as well, as you can see. This is Shastri Nagar. This is available at a great price, and you can't find such big living spaces in and around in these kind of buildings if you go and see. Let's go and have a look at this bedroom first. This is an attached ensuite. There you go. So even if a buyer comes and if they don't wish to revamp it, that's perfectly fine because they're all in working condition. They're not rusted, they're not old, very well maintained. You got a big nice wardrobe here fixed in the wall. You got wardrobes here as well, so about 6 doors. You got storage up there, you got plenty of space, and you got a bed as well, dressing area that side. Lovely, good space in the society. That's what matters. Somebody comes, have a look at this, and they're really impressed because of the size and minimal wastage of space. Dining and the living and the sofas, as you can see. Very good society in Shastri Nagar, right next to Lokhandwala and Sundarwan. Fabulous. So buyer comes, they can come in and take everything the way it is. Lock, stock and barrel, hook, line and sinker. You can take everything the way it is. The sellers are not going to take anything away. And they're moving to Navi Mumbai. What we have here is a common bathroom, as usual, with 3 bedrooms. It's a good space and size. See the sink and everything, the WC. You don't need to fix anything or install anything new. This is as is where is you can take it. That's a common bedroom, again with plenty of wardrobe space and size. There you go, and big nice windows allowing of plenty of sunlight coming in. Great society with so much of space, parking inside. Have a look at ample of wardrobe spaces. They just don't end, do they? That's a sink here, and the last and the final bedroom with the attached bathroom with the wallpapers and the study area and the wardrobes. So even if you consider this as a study area or a guest room, sofa come bed as well, It really has space to accommodate wardrobe and study and the sofa cum bed and the dressing. There you go. Good nice furniture going along with the brown shade, the wallpaper. There you go. That's a bathtub in here. You see the nice, neat and clean, the shower area, the WC. So don't need to change anything. It's available at a great price. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. This is Windsor Tower. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me guys. Shastri Nagar, Andheri West. Cheers. Let's finish at the living. Perfect.